Okay, so a WARZ data access object, it has database URL, username, and password. I'm not going to show you those for obvious reasons. But I have two methods in here. One is save player WARZ data, and it takes a Minecraft player. The other one is get player by unique ID. So you will put in the string unique ID, and it will give you a player. So here's the query. It just asks, it basically just selects everything from the table where the UID equals question mark. In this case, we're going to set it to the parameter UID. And then while we have another thing, we do this, which is an array list of a new object I made called player data, which all it does is say, is basically just store. It basically does nothing, but it basically just stores Unity world, XYZ, yawn, pitch, and health. So yeah, and then it returns. So then in the config manager, where we have set player and WARZ, you can get rid of these comments. Oh. And here we get this DOA, and then we say player data. We get the player data, and then we just set it to all this stuff, and then we give them their location. So this get player by unique ID returns the player data, and then we're just getting the data from that object that it returns, and then we're putting it into the location, and then we're teleporting them there, and we're setting their health. I could also do hunger, and yeah, and then this just loads inventory. That's non-SQL related. And then here is save. Pretty simple. So we save the inventory. That's non-SQL related, but this is the data access object, and it returns an integer. So if it equals 0, we know it didn't send anything. So we're just going to send a message to the console that says it didn't send anything, dang it. So, and that basically all that does is save to the database.